Coloring Dreams.
Hello, kids and toddlers. Today, we're going to draw something colorful and from the makeup kit. Are you excited? Let's get started and draw it step by step. Let's draw the eyeshadow palette. First, we will draw the lid of the palette. Start by drawing a big rectangle. Inside this lid, let's add a smaller rectangle. This is the mirror. Mirrors help people see their faces while they use the makeup. Now, start by drawing the big rectangle. This is the outside of the palette, like a little box.
Why does the Lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so?
Next, inside the rectangle, draw 6 small squares or rectangles. These are the colorful eyeshadow shades just like a rainbow. Did you know? People use these tiny colors to decorate their eyelids. Now let's draw the eyeshadow brush on the side of the palette. Great job! Your palette is looking beautiful already. Next, let's draw mascara. Start by drawing a long, thin rectangle for the tube of mascara. This tool is used to make eyelashes look longer and darker like magic for your eyes. Now, add a tiny brush on top. Great job, your mascara looks amazing. Now, let's draw a nail polish bottle. Start with the thin rectangle on top or the brush handle. Wow, your nail polish bottle looks so cute! Next, let's draw a lipstick. Start with the rectangle at the bottom. This is the lipstick case that holds it together. Now, draw a pointy shape coming out of the top that's the lipstick itself. Now, let's draw a comb. Start with a tall rectangle with curved edges. A comb helps people keep their hair neat and tidy, just like brushing your hair in the morning. Now, add small lines inside the rectangle for the teeth of the comb. These are tools that people use to add pretty colors to their face, eyes, and nails feel happy and look their best. Fantastic! Your comb looks perfect! Now, let's draw a makeup brush. Start with the small oval at the top. This is a soft, fluffy part of the brush. Next, draw a straight line going down for the handle. Awesome work! Your brush looks fantastic!
School one day, it followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Wow! Sal, look at all the fun tools you've drawn: an eyeshadow palette, makeup brush, lipstick, nail polish, mascara, and a comb. These are the special things people use to add colors and feel their best.
Patiently about, and waited patiently.
You did an amazing job today, like little artists creating a beautiful makeup kit.
Red.
Now let's start coloring. Are you ready to color step by step with me? Let's begin. First, let's color the eyeshadow palette. This is the big box you see on the left.
Orange.
Inside, there are 6 tiny squares for the eyeshadow colors.
Pink.
Amazing.
Purple.
Mary had a
Yellow.
Let's use bright and fun colors like red, pink, orange, blue, yellow, and purple, just like a rainbow. Now, inside the lid, there's a mirror.
Blue.
Let's color the mirror a nice light blue so it looks shiny, like a real one.
Its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Doesn't this mirror look shiny and bright now? Imagine seeing your happy face inside this mirror, so fun!
One day, school one day, it followed her to school.
Great job, everyone! Let's keep going!
It made the children laugh and play, laugh
Green.
and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Did you know? Eyeshadow palettes come in so many colors to make eyes look magical and shiny. Some even sparkle like glitter.
Turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered there, and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so?
Wow, look at your palette! It's so colorful and bright, just like a real one.
Why Mary loves the lamb?
Now, let's color the mascara tube. Start with the top part green. Then color the bottom part of the mascara and color it pink.
Wow, so beautiful.
Next up, let's color the nail polish bottle.
Mary had a little lamb,
Your nail polish looks fantastic, so shiny and bright.
a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Now let's color the lipstick. Start with the lipstick itself and color it a bright, bold red. For the case at the bottom, let's use a nice deep purple and orange for the middle.
Mary had a little lamb,
Your lipstick looks perfect. Next, let's color the comb. Look at how tall and straight it is with its little teeth. It's like a friendly helper for your hair.
where that Mary went.
We're going to color the comb a nice, bright pink.
It followed her to school,
Great job! Your pink comb looks so nice and ready to use.
followed her
Next, let's color the makeup brush.
was against the rules. It made the
Makeup brushes are used to spread powders or blush on the face.
laugh and
Great job! Your brush looks so neat and pretty.
see a lamb at school.
Wow! Look at all the amazing tools you've colored. A bright eyeshadow palette, a soft makeup brush, a shiny nail polish, a magical mascara, a bold lipstick, and a neat comb.
And waited patiently
These tools are so colorful and fun, and you did an amazing job bringing them to life.
Patiently about till Mary did appear.
You're little artists with big imaginations. Don't forget to share your beautiful coloring with your friends and family.
Mary, so what?
I'll see you next time for another fun and creative coloring adventure. Keep coloring, keep smiling, and keep creating magic.
See you on next video.